Friends, today I'm going to share with you two lovely recipes. One is a very simple nacho dip, and the other is how to make these lovely peri peri fries and a lovely cool dip to go with it. So let's start with a simple and special nacho dip, which I prepare for my kids when they're hungry, and it gets ready really quickly. So here I've taken a pan to which I'm going to add about a cup of milk. Now I'm going to add half a cup of grated cheese. So I'm using regular processed cheese. Now we're just going to stir the mix a bit on a low to medium flame till the milk and the cheese gets mixed really well together. And then I'm just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now I don't want to add a salt, but you can add salt because the cheese is a little salty as well as the nachos are a little salty. So I don't add salt to this dip, but if you like, you can add salt to taste. Now mix all of this really well and keep stirring it on a low to medium flame for about 5 minutes till the mixture thickens up. Continuously stir, don't leave it unattended. And then all you have to do is just pour this into a bowl and just put in your favorite nachos or chips. But this is a nice, lovely dip, and it is really, really delicious. So you got to try this out. It's nice and thick and creamy, and kids really love it. So this could be a nice light snack, or whenever hunger strikes. And the next recipe is I'm going to show you how to make these peri peri fries to get the perfect French fries and this lovely cool dip to go with it. So first I've washed about 4 medium-sized potatoes and I'm going to peel them. Now you can see that I've kept some water in a bowl to which I'm adding the fries. Now I'll show you how I cut up the fries. So I first cut them up like this, and then I just cut them into pieces like this. I'll show you a closer look on how to get the perfect fries. So what you do is after peeling the potato, you cut it exactly into half like this. Then you start chopping it into semicircles like this. And then you're going to cut each of these into halves. So you get these two lovely French fries. Now you got to soak them in water so that they become nice and crispy when you fry them. So I like to soak them for about 10 minutes in room temperature water, and then I drain out all the water, and then I just like to keep them on a kitchen towel, kitchen napkin, and pat them completely dry and keep them on the kitchen napkin for about at least 10 minutes till all the fries are nice, or the potatoes are really nice and dry like this. So I like to pat them dry and keep them on the kitchen towel for about 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to fry them, but I'm going to double fry them. So what I do is I put half of them in the oil and I just fry them for about half a minute till they just get this gentle coat of oil. Then I take out the first batch, put them on some kitchen napkin to, drain out the excess oil, put in the second batch, and then again I refry the first batch. So you have to do this till you complete with all, you finish with all the fries. So just fry them twice. So first you fry them for about half a minute till they get a nice coat of oil. Take them out, let them cool a little bit on the kitchen napkin. Then you put the second batch in. Remove the second batch and then put the first batch in, and then fry them till they're nice and crispy for about a minute or so. And then drain the excess oil on a kitchen napkin. So this way you'll get the perfect fries. So they look like this. They're so crispy and really, really delicious. And now we're going to, coat them with some lovely salt and some peri peri powder. So you can use the ready-made peri peri mix that you get. So I've just transferred them to a nice large mixing bowl. To that I'm going to add salt to taste. And you can use any brand of peri peri mix. You get so many different, peri peri powders in different brands. I'm just going to add that to taste again. about 2 teaspoons, or if you like it more spicy, then more of it. And then you're just going to mix this all together really, really well. And the chips are a little bit warm, so they get nicely coated with the salt and the peri peri mix. So just coat them really, really well. And now we're going to go and prepare the dip. You can prepare the dip ahead of time and keep it in your refrigerator. So for the dip, I needed half or 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. This is about a tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1 cup of hung curd or yogurt. This is 1 tablespoon of minced garlic or grated garlic. I've just used my cheese grater and grated the garlic, and some salt to taste. Now I'm just going to add all these ingredients to the hung curd. Now for making the hung curd, you just take a muslin cloth, put about a whole cup of or 2 cups of thick curd, and let it sit. Just pull out all the water like you do for paneer, and for about half an hour, let all the water come out, and then you chill it for 1 hour in your refrigerator, and that's how you get the hung curd. And then just mix all of this together, and your lovely yogurt dip is all ready, which is nice and chill. And then you just serve it with your lovely chips. So I hope you like these 2 recipes. Do give them a try, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.